Very good morning, students. Welcome back to my biology classroom. How are you all, children? Hope you are all fine. Let us recall with what we have studied in the last week first. Okay? What are herbivores? Yeah, animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Okay? Can I give some examples? Rabbit, squirrel, cow, buffalo. Yeah, good. Very good. How do the teeth of squirrel and rabbit will be? Yeah, they are having sharp cutting teeth. Where it would be found? Yes, at the front of their mouth. Very good. Cow and buffaloes have what kind of molars? Yeah, flat and blunt molars. Why? Can you give the reason? Yes, it is very helpful in cutting and chewing the grass. Very good. Next, carnivores. What are carnivores? Yeah, animals that eat flesh of another animal is called what? Carnivores. Can I give some examples? Yes, lion, tiger, lizard, frog. All these are what? Carnivores. Good. How do the frog catch their food? Yeah, with the help of their tongue. How do the snake catch their food? They will catch up and swallow it fully. Okay, it will swallow the food as a whole. Yeah. How do the eagle? Yes, eagle catch the animals with the help of their claws first. Then it will tear the flesh of the organism with the help of its curved sharp beak. Okay, they help in tearing the flesh. So according to the food habit of the organisms, their mouth, teeth are adapted. Okay, ma? Yeah. Lions and tigers will have what? Sharp canines. Canines தான் நமக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? சிங்கப்பல். Yeah, good. Next, omnivores. What are omnivores? Yeah, animals that eating both plants and animals are omnivores. We human beings are also omnivores. So that the human beings are having what kind of teeth? Yeah, they are having all the different kind of teeth. Okay? You can see in the picture itself. We are having different kind of teeth because we are eating all the kind of food. If you are eating biscuit means you will use front teeth. For grinding the food you will use the side back teeth. Okay, and for tearing the flesh chicken you will use the canine teeth. Okay, yeah, good. The crow is also an omnivorous bird. They are having what kind of beak? Yeah, strong pointed beak. Yes, you all remember well. Very good. What are scavengers? Yeah, animals which are eating the dead plants and animals are called what? Scavengers. Okay. So they help in cleaning the forest environment. Let's start studying the today's session. Okay. We are going to study about food chain. You know about chain? What is food chain? By keeping the food, you are making the chain? No. Food chain means the flow of energy from one organism to another organism. The primary energy is obtained from sunlight. Okay, so the plant uses the sunlight energy and produces food. The herbivorous organisms get food from the plants, so they are receiving the sunlight energy indirectly. Okay, from the herbivorous organism, it is passed on to the carnivore because carnivores are eating the herbivorous organisms. And from that to any other omnivores or any other carnivores. And finally, the dead debris will be eaten by the scavengers or the decomposers. Okay, likewise, the energy will be flow from one organism to another. Okay, so that the food chain means the relationship between the organism for transferring nutrients. What is the food chain? The relationship between organisms for transferring nutrients is called what? Food chain. Always the food chain will start with plants because they are the producers. Okay? Next occupies the herbivorous organisms. All these depending on plants for their food. Next comes the carnivores. Here you are given with a simple food chain example. Another one you can see water plant, aquatic organism, aquatic plant algae can be. It is eaten by pond snail. Pond snail is consumed by fish. Fish is consumed by some higher fish organism. Kingfisher, a bird. Okay, so likewise the food chain, the flow of energy will move on. Understand, ma? Here you can see the food chain. From the producer, grasshopper is receiving, it is an what? Primary consumer. Primary consumer means herbivores. Secondary consumer is an carnivore. Okay, so it is what? Bluebird is given. Next comes the tertiary consumer. The tertiary consumer can either be the omnivore or it can be the carnivore. Okay, we cannot conclude only it should be omnivore. Either it can be carnivore or the omnivores. Okay. Next what? Apex predator. It is also one what? Carnivores. Then finally the dead debris are eaten by what? Decomposing organisms. The decomposer mushroom is given now. Decomposers. Then it is flowed again into the soil. It is consumed by the plants. Okay. Very good. Understood. Let's see the book exercise. Okay. I hope you all bought your book. If you all had your book means you can take up your book and you can mark out all these questions. Okay. First we will see, choose the correct answer. Food is needed for providing energy, fighting diseases, growth, all of these. All of these. Food is needed for all of these. Which is not true about food. Second one is what? Which is not true about food. Food provides energy. Is energy or not? Yes. It helps to prevent disease or not? Yes, it helps to prevent disease. It depletes energy. Depleting means removing. Depleting means removing. Okay. So if you are you consuming the food, is it removing your energy? No. So it is what? False. Okay. It prevents growth. Preventing means controlling. If you are consuming food properly, will it prevent your growth? No. So these two are what? False. Next. Cereals are seeds, fruits, vegetable, animal product. Seeds. Cereals are seeds. Fourth one. We do not get this from plants. Yes, of course, eggs. Potato, rice, chickpea are getting from plants. Egg we are getting from where? From the hen. Very good. Next one. We do not get this from plants or animals. We do not get this from plants or animal. Honey from honeybee. Milk from cow. Salt from? Yes, seawater. Pepper from? Plant. So the answer would be salt. Very good. Which of these eat both plants and animals? First one, herbivore. Yes, it will eat only plants. Second one, omnivore. Yeah, it will eat both plants and animals. Third one is carnivore. It will feed only on herbivores. Okay. Scavengers. It will eat the dead debris of both plants and animals. Okay. So that omnivores and scavengers. Understand? Yeah. Next one. Which of these has long sticky tongue? Frog, snake, humans, buffaloes. Yeah, frog. By throwing its tongue only, the frog catch up the prey. Yes, very good. Next one. Which of these help to keep the surroundings clean by eating dead animals? Yes, of course, scavengers. Very good. Next one. A food chain always start with, yeah, green plants. A food chain will always start with green plants. Why? Yes, because it is what? Producers. Very good. Choose the correct food chain. Grains, hen, fox. Hen, grains, fox. Grains, fox, hen. Hen, fox, grains. First, what should come? Yes, producer. Here, what is the producer? Yeah, grains. Then what should come? Herbivore. Here, what is the herbivore? Hen. Very good. Next, yeah, carnivore. So that A option is correct. Okay. Very good, ma. Next, say true or false. Nutrients are substances present in food. Yes, true. Nutrients are the substances present in food. Second one. Each food item is made of only one or two ingredients. True. The each food item will be formed of, yes, one or two ingredients. Rice is used to make dosa or chapatis. False. Rice is used to make dosas or chapatis. Rice will be used in making dosa batter, but for chapati we will use what? Wheat. Okay? Some fruits are used as vegetables. Yes, true. We get coffee, cocoa and tea from plants. Yes, true. All carnivores have long, sharp teeth. Yeah, false. Why? Because, for example, frog, you see, they are not having sharp teeth. Snake, you see, they don't have sharp teeth. For tearing the flesh, I am saying. Okay? So, not all the carnivores. Understood? Yeah. Snakes use their tongues to catch their food. Yes, false. Because they will not catch by using their tongues. They will catch up with their mouth and swallow it as a whole. Okay? Yeah. Next one. A food chain can begin with carnivore. No, it's impossible. Always the food chain will be starting with what? Producer. What is the producer? Yeah, of course, plants. Next comes fill in the blanks. Food help us to repair and replace worn out tissues. Food help us to repair and replace worn out tissues. Pulses are Yes, pulses are what? Seeds of the leguminous plants. Very good. Bees are obtained from where? Bees obtain the honey from where? Yeah, nectar of flowers. Bees are making the honey from the nectar of flowers. Nectar means a sweet, sugary content will found at the base of the flower. Okay? Next, the food that we eat every day is our, yes, diet. Dash shows what an organism eats in an habitat. Food chain. Next, book back exercise. Looking back. Okay? Dash have back teeth that helps to grind their food. Yes, cow and buffaloes. Animals that eat dead plants and animals are called? Yes, scavengers. Humans are examples of? Yeah, omnivores. Dash have different types of teeth. Humans. Food chain always starts with? Yeah, plants. Thank you, children. Hope you are understood well. Copy down the answers in your book. Thank you so much, ma.